This video shows how a coach can analyze each player's performance right from the uHIT dashboard. We start by logging in with a manager or organization account. From the team management page, we can view snapshots of each player's progress in custom training or Plus's training programs. We can click any of these buttons to take a deeper look. We can click this button for details on the player's zone recognition, this button for details on pitch recognition, and this button for details on zone enhancement work. Let's start with zone recognition. Starting from the top, we have the player's rank within his or her team, how many finished uHIT sessions to date, what the player's average accuracy is in zone recognition, and what the player's average reaction time is for balls in the zone. When we scroll down, we see the progress the player has made in his or her uHIT custom training. From a baseline assessment of 59% accuracy and 0.5 seconds for reaction time, we can see 4 reassessments from October through the following May. Looking at the reassessments, we can see substantial improvement in zone recognition accuracy. That is calling balls and strikes, while the reaction time is mostly holding steady. We now turn to the pitch recognition profile for this player. Again, we see the player's team rank and the number of sessions done for this skill. We also see average accuracy and reaction time for pitch recognition. Now, reaction time has a little different meaning than it did before. Here it means how quickly the player recognized a pitch he or she was looking for. Below we see how accuracy and reaction time broke down by each pitch type. Here for drop balls, curve balls, and rise balls. Below each accuracy and reaction time, you also have the percentile the player is against his or her teammates. Scrolling down, we again have the reassessment results from custom training. Coincidentally, we again compare a baseline of 59% accuracy and 0.5 seconds reaction time. We compare this to the reassessment results shown here. We see that the earlier sessions were even worse than the baseline in accuracy, and reaction time was slowing. But over time, the accuracies increase and the reaction times decrease to be substantially less than when the player began custom training. Finally, we use the shortcut button up here to look at the player's zone enhancement details. Zone enhancement is a zone-by-zone targeting of smaller parts of the strike zone, and it's an integral part of custom training. As before, we have rank, finished sessions, accuracy, and reaction time across the top. Looking below, it's very common that the accuracies within specific zones are much higher than what you saw earlier. This is because the player is targeting specific chunks of the zone rather than covering all of the zone. With the uHIT dashboard, you can look at your player's progress in these ways, and even use the zone accuracy maps in batting practice. If you like this video, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, or check out these other videos now to learn more about coaching with uHIT's personalized training programs.